Aye, vatsonga ka hina I manyangazi kumsaso lungese subscribe and nakombela u subscribe. So those who don't have data on this video, you can reduce your resolution, like your video quality to 144 at p. Like YouTube, it saves your data. And leswi nga koka I ku ni yingisela ku u nitwa ku ni ri yini. For those who don't watch the video till the end, mi swi tiva ku hi Saturday ta va hi dzumbe ka Steve. I'm doing a birthday celebration. Yeah, man, my birthday, I'm doing it 29th of September, but however, I decided that I'm gonna do it at the end of the week. So now what I'm looking at so I have to be very sensitive when speaking about this matter because I've been given a tip off by someone who's working on the last project, Dr. Thomas Chauke. Dr. Thomas Chauke has been set to me by a very reliable source who has been working. I'm not gonna say but who has been working with him on his last project. So Dr. Thomas Chauke is said to be doing his last project, music. His last project, music. Dr. Thomas Chauke loko yi hamba yi humesa Ximatsatsa a yi humesa Ximatsatsa ku ya hi n'wana Ximatsatsa xa yena laha mi vo vatswari hi lembe rin'we mara n'wana wa swi tiva ku for mina Ximatsatsa lexa xi endliwa hi lexiwani. For reference, you can go kuna video yin'wanyana yi nga endliwa hi Chavi na xin'wanyana xin'wana xa n'wana xin'we. I don't remember her name, sorry if it's offensive, if by chance swi vona and munhu khoma ma vanhu ku ri nge endli nchumu hi munhu. So it said that is doing his last album, and this last album is because va le ku endlela n'wana wa volo wo Hetelela loyi a nga wa 37 if not mistaken, or 37 38, I don't remember very well because mina loko na endla the video I don't write anything. I just come here and do my videos because ni va kha ni swi tiva leswi ni lavaka ku vulavula swona. So for me this video is more like an advice to how probably a best last album will be. Ntuku leyiwani I yo Hetelela mara after leyiwani va ta hamba va so va rweka tinsimu directly va fika va teka I Rosa wa mina va yi rweka in a very new way mara ku ha ri Rosa liya mara telling the very same story in a very creative other way. So for me an album machinery which will be last will consist of all the sounds that he has played in different generations. Not different generation, different decades. From 1980 to 1989. Here is on you can one of the same maybe two to that sound. That voice that he was using. Even from 1990 to 1999. One similar that kind of a sound which he used that time. Even from 2000 to 2009 ukubana sound le ayitirhisiwa la abaendla tisimtimbirhi. Those are 6 songs. Even kubana from 2010 to 2019 and then batirhisa sound le ayitirhisiwa la. Even then this is an opinion. Even then bateka so leti ka music ya Xitsonga leti ti tiva ku ta different beside leya vona traditional, kuna disco, kuna nzumba, kuna electro. You could try something out from those sounds. Maybe take electro, take nzumba, take other disco and do similarly. Let's talk specifically that disco, that nzumba, that one time. And I heard him speaking about working with Oliver Mtukuz before he died. Ka interview la DJ Brian. So it means he has direction of how that music is played. So it can be 8 songs of 4 different decades later when I music with on. That song yeah. Maybe from number 8 you can choose any genres that you wanna play, so that it makes it to 15 songs set list for his friends. So it will be a nice advice, and people who should fuse him to cement the Dr. Thomas Chauke legacy. He should accommodate Tem. Tem is super talented. Slender. Johnny, Mboya. Oh, that guy is super talented. Connie, fucking talented. What is this? So these are the people that you should be working with in these albums. Vasati va vona va endla a compilation of creativity. So say this is your last album. Ningisele seminar wantu ngaku loko ri wisa kumbexana hi wisa this sound hi wisa yini, because Temba has direction. After not direction, Temba knows music. He knows music probably more than most of the top producers now. So give him power. Go, you direct me on this album. Koni, you direct those who are vocals. That's passing the legacy to his children. Because mina loko niya ku at least loko niya ku 60, there's a possibility Dr. Thomas Chauke won't be there. So if Dr. Thomas Chauke is not there, you must make sure that his name lives on. I'm sure that Ximatsatsa what Temba will be there. Because anohlotela baningi seleni kahle anohlotela Dr. Thomas Chauke rifu. I'm just saying this out of a curious state shaku if he needs this legacy to continue, it can continue, but go on nga aribona ila vo vafana va ka Xirenda ku na vo Mandejwana vo Tshami recently released a song na Oscar Makam. They're good. Fuck is this guy? Ondongwe. They're here. The engineering music, big brothers and everywhere. What is this? I'm not saying MC Mabasa is dead, but then Boko no Mabeban already. Labanga see you barika level, maybe Navolo Gavolo thing in South Africa, Lavanga Africa, one I'm colored boy. So, in short, what I'm saying is, if really the rumor that I've been told by whoever is close and was currently working on that album, Sean, this is what I believe they should do. Even if it's not true, Mara, there is an idea that I think could work for him going onwards. Why don't you have ideas that you don't implement? Music washoop. I'm not an artist. I'm just a self-proclaimed music analyst. You get music. I know what's gonna work, I know what's not gonna work, and I know how the sales are going and how to penetrate the sales currently. But that's the knowledge that I have. I don't have knowledge young in a studio. Don't tell it that they look so like talking lang so and the imagine and levy a ming seer. Let's go struggle with me. Let's send lang so struggle. Let's see the believer who can allow one man and Randiku shit or less high man. Something a shen lang so said me and levy a ming seer. Nan levy who maybe the ideas lead to an anaton. I think our who have those who are in power of using them. So Komeza, that's the idea that I had. Logoseni inteli anzaka logosem nitutimagale there's going to be this and this and da. So what's on my guy na hlanganeni Steve Midlands Zone 5 every Sunday ta Zumba Bramfish. Or no chicha mhlekete ta Zumba Bramfish before ka Steve. What's on my guy na imanya ngazo komso so subscribe and go below subscriber.